Hey everybody, this is Nick Wolfram standing here in our machine shop at Jim's Automotive Machine. Jamsy Online is our other name we go by on the internet. And I'm standing here in front of a 455 Oldsmobile that we're getting ready to tear down. And we're going to take you guys through the entire rebuild process. So let's get into it. Up here on the teardown stand, obviously the first thing we need to do is kind of tear into it and see what we find inside and kind of get an idea of what all machine work it's going to take to rebuild this thing. The customer did start a little bit before deciding to actually bring it in and have the machine work done. But yeah, the first thing we're going to do is tear it down. That way we can get all the parts cleaned up. We're going to obviously bake the block and bake the heads and everything to bake the grease off, and then put them through our abrasive cleaners over here to get everything nice and clean before we start working on it. Where's his head bolt set? Those ain't going on. Any chance you can get me an air hose at some point to not have to stretch that one as much? Will you what? Yep, you're already on. they're going to be tough on you. You said do keep it all, right? Most of it is in the oven, getting ready to bake before we put it in this either the steel abrader, the steel shot machine, or glass bead some of the parts. We've got a little bit that we're just going to run through one of our 2 spray cabinets, and the last little bit is just kind of stuff that the customer isn't planning on using again, so we're just going to give that back to him, and it'll get replaced with new. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video when we kind of start our machine work on this project.